Before buying Firsty, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. This product promises a lot, but is it right for you? Stick with me until the end, because I'll break down everything you need to know to make an informed decision, especially if you're comparing it to other products on the market. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice about Firsty is its user-friendly interface. Many software solutions out there look great on paper, but once you get in, they can be frustrating to navigate. Not Firsty. Its intuitive design makes it easy for anyone to jump right in, even if you're not very tech-savvy. Compared to competitors, where you often need hours of training to fully understand the platform, Firsty streamlines everything. It's a refreshing change in an industry where complexity often means more problems. Next thing, pricing. Firsty offers competitive pricing compared to similar products. While some software in this space charge a premium for features you don't even need, Firsty offers a range of plans that scale with your needs, without locking you into long-term commitments. This flexibility means you can try out the product risk-free and adjust as your needs change. Many competitors have hidden fees or locked features in the basic tier, but Firsty's pricing is straightforward, with no surprises. The third thing you need to know is support. One of the major pain points with software like this is customer support, and it's something that many products just don't get right. I've personally tried reaching out to support teams with other platforms, and it can take days to get a response. With Firsty though, I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly they respond and how knowledgeable their support team is. Plus, they offer 24/7 assistance, which is huge, especially if you're working on tight deadlines. Next thing, customization. Firsty offers great flexibility when it comes to tailoring the platform to your needs. While other competitors tend to force you into using their predefined templates, Firsty allows you to create something that truly fits your workflow. This level of customization is critical for businesses or individuals who want more control over their processes. The only drawback here is that some of the more advanced customization options might take a bit of time to master, but if you're willing to invest the effort, the payoff is well worth it. The fifth thing you should know about Firsty is its integration capabilities. In today's market, integration is everything. If you're using multiple platforms, you need something that can seamlessly connect them all. Firsty does an excellent job integrating with various tools, from CRM systems to email platforms. A lot of competing software on the market either doesn't offer integrations or charges extra for them. But with Firsty, these integrations are included, which is a major plus if you're looking for a solution that works with your existing systems. Next up, let's talk about updates and improvements. Firsty consistently rolls out updates and new features. This is crucial in an industry where software can quickly become outdated if the company doesn't stay ahead of trends. Firsty listens to user feedback, and it shows. They make adjustments and improvements based on what their users want, unlike other products that seem to stagnate and never evolve. This proactive approach is something I really appreciate, especially when it comes to staying relevant in a fast-paced market. And finally, the last thing you need to know is the trial period. Unlike many companies that make you pay upfront or give you a tiny trial window, Firsty offers a completely risk-free trial with no strings attached. And if you click the first link below, you'll be able to access the best offer for this trial and get some exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. If you've been hesitant about trying Firsty, now is the time to check it out. To sum up, Firsty stands out from the competition with its easy-to-use interface, fair pricing, responsive support, customization options, integrations, regular updates, and generous trial offer. So, if you want to give Firsty a try, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial and unlock some awesome exclusive benefits. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below to get started with Firsty today.